Alright, queens and kings, so you all asked for some glam, and here I am to serve you nothing but glam. Matter of fact, glamorous on a budget. I was inspired by Z Gallerie, so I am showing you guys how I created my glam wall sconces. If you all would like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch. Hey, queens and kings. Alright, queens and kings, so here is an overlook of all the items that I will be using. Most of the items did come from the Dollar Tree, like this large 5x7 mirror. I will be using some ABC blocks, as you can see, some adhesive, fix-all adhesive. I'll be using the Dollar Tree Glam bracelets here, which I actually use, I think, about 5 of them. A paintbrush, a pair of scissors, some Bling Wrap, this Dollar Tree little frame mirror here, as well as this little wall plaque here. And I also will be using some Amber paint, as well as a 1x1 inch mirrors, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. Okay, so first thing first, we're starting off with our plaque here. I'm just showing you guys how I look on the front as well as the back of it. For the bottom portion of this little wall plaque here, I'm gonna glue these mirror 1x1 inch tiles all the way across the entire bottom. And I actually got these mirror tiles from Amazon, which I will link it down below. And there's Andre. Okay, so now that we have finished that, we're going to take our larger mirror from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to basically place some fix all on the back of it, as well as hot glue, and we're going to place that directly on top of the wall of plaque. So we line it up with the very bottom row of mirror tiles that we placed down, apply pressure, and then we're going to turn it around and we're going to do the opposite side. Now this end of the plaque is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to glue the whole entire row with the mirror tiles. I'm just going to glue at least, I think, 5 of them. So what I do on one side, I'm going to do on the opposite side, but I'm going to leave is 2 gaps, which you guys will see in a moment. And the reason for those gaps is because I need to place those 2 little alphabet blocks that you guys seen in the beginning with the materials in those spaces. So after this one here I glue down, I'm going to glue down 2 more, and I'm going to remove the ones that I didn't glue down. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far, and now we're just gonna move on to the sides before we move to the next steps with the blocks. And I'm gonna glue the entire sides with the mirror frames here. But once I reach up to the very top of the side, I'm gonna leave a spot open, and I'll show you guys that pretty soon, the reason behind that, which I'm showing you guys right here. I'm gonna wait before I actually put in the mirror tile there. Now I flipped it over and now I'm doing the opposite side. So now I'm making it to the very top of the opposite side. So on both sides, on the sides there's no mirror tile. I just got tongue tied just a moment ago. Now I'm doing the very top, and the reason that I skipped the 2 sides because there's gonna be an overlap that is not gonna line up very flush. So therefore I decided to just skip the two sides, and then I'm gonna go to the top here. I'm gonna do the top first, and then I'm gonna come back to those two sides, in which you'll see pretty soon. Now I seen this little trick on another YouTuber channel, I'm not sure. Basically just place some hot glue on one end and you stick it into the section. So basically it doesn't fall out while you're gluing, which we all hate that. So anyways, now you see here is the overlap that I was telling you guys about. All I'm going to do is just fill that up with some hot glue like a sealant, just so I can make it as flush as I can, as possible as I can. And then I'm going to place my tile on there, and we're just going to line it up. So I do have like a little part, that a little arrow that stick out, as you see right there, but it's not that bad. It's nothing that can actually just break the idea of the look, not for me anyways. But on this side it doesn't have that problem, so that's the reason why I left those two sides out. And as you can see right here. Okay, queens and kings, so far this is the look that we have. We almost have a mirror tray if we glue the other two tiles down. But anyway, we're going to move on building our shelf here, which we're using the Dollar Tree little ABC blocks, as well as Dollar Tree little mirror picture frame. Now I took all the content out of the mirror picture frame and set it to the side, but I'm going to glue the blocks down first, which I'm going to place some Dollar Tree Fix All adhesive on one side of the blocks, and I'm going to place them directly on top of the tiles where it overlaps on the tiles, as you guys seen, because it does not touch the plat at all. But I'm going to fix that because I'm going to fill it in with some glue, as you guys see here, which is going to help support it once it all dry. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Okay, so before I move on putting the shelf on top of it, with basic gluing that other mirror there, I'm just going to take some Bling Wrap, and I'm doing one screen roll Bling Wrap, and I'm basically going to fill in the little gaps that you see where the bigger mirror and the smaller tile mirror does not meet, just to make it or give it a better look, or a finished look, you should say. Okay, so now we're going to move on putting our shelf. So basically in the corners here, I'm going to put some Dollar Tree Fix All adhesive, as well as hot glue, just on the corners where it meet the cubes. And on one side of it where I place the hot glue and Fix All, I'm going to place some extra Fix All, just a Fix All only. And we're just going to place it directly on top of the cubes and apply pressure. And we want this portion to completely dry overnight. We really do. But before we actually start it off completely dry, we're just going to try to move all the debris and glue screens and everything, my fingerprints and everything, off as best as possible. So get you some real good mirror glass cleaner. Now we're going to move on with our bracelets here. These are glass bracelets that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to take them off of the screens and everything. I'm just going to use the glass beads. And as you can see here, now I'm starting to arrange the beads how I want them. But as you see that I did place it on top of the mirror tile there, I did not want to do that, which I actually realized it later. I just want to place all the beads on top of the bigger mirror frame. So basically I'm just going to arrange them how I want them. Basically like in a 5 row. You do 4, then you do 1 in the middle that give you like that 5 look. You guys will see what I'm talking about in a minute. I can't explain that. Y'all get it. Y'all get it. You're just gonna alternate it out, basically, as you guys can see. Okay, so once we have got them all into the places where we want to put them, I'm just going to take the adhesive fix all or fix all adhesive and glue them down. And so far this is what it's looking like. I'm not going to try to move it because if I do, they're going to stand up and slide. But I love the way that it's turning out so far. Look at that. Look at this sparkle. Oh my goodness, just glamorous. Just glamorous. Yes, honey. So anyway, we're going to move on with the paint here. Now this is where the paint come in place at, because I'm going to paint the blocks and I'm going to paint underneath the mirror there, basically to make everything cohesive. And we're going to let all of this dry overnight. And what I'm not going to show you guys, that I'm actually going to place some more bling wrap to fill in basically the gaps from the mirror and the blocks. All right, queens and kings, so here it is. Well, here they are, because I actually did two of it and I placed them on each side of my canvas in my dining room. I just love the way that it looked with the little candle holder or whatever, but I did change it up. And as you guys can see here, I did place one of my bling candle holders in here on top of it, which it is a little bit heavier. So as you can see, it does hold up the weight. I was just trying to give you guys a different variety of look or anything like that. But at this point here, they are over the top glamorous with these candle holders here. But if you queens and kings enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe if you're new to the castle. Also turn on your post notification bell so therefore you don't miss out on another video by me. So if you guys would like to see more videos like this, want to see more glamorous DIYs, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and please share. And I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. Bye bye.